So algebra 2.1, page number 34.
34 page.
Yes, algebra.
Some number.
Question number third. Question number third one, second.
Third, second. Okay. Page number 34. Third, second. That is given x minus 1 square is equal to 2x plus 3. We have to convert into quadratic equation form and we have to find out a, b, c. So this is square of first term. This into this into this means 2ab. Square of last term. This comes this side.
So how 2x minus 1 had come?
That I am explaining separate. So a is equal to 1, no coefficient. B is equal to minus 4. C is equal to minus 2. Now a minus b square, the formula is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now substitute all a, it is x. All b are 1. So x square minus 2x plus 1. Follow? Next.
Yes.
A minus b total square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. A plus b total square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Next.
Sir, algebra.
First
Algebra
page
page number 80, sum number. Page number 80, sum number 13.
80 and 13.
Yes, sir.
Listen very carefully. M times the m term equal to the n time of n term. Em is equal to a plus m minus 1 d, where Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. So n time of Tn means multiply both the side by m. Is equal to ma plus md n minus 1. md product. Open the bracket. ma, this is m. ma m square d minus md. mtn. n time Tn is equal to n a plus n minus 1 d. So ntn na plus nd n minus 1. Same parallel. ntn na plus n square d minus nd. Now they have given these and these are equal. What? mtn is equal to ntn. So write the answer. ma plus m square d minus nd. MD is equal to Na plus n square D minus ND. Now same term, okay, A term together. MA minus NA, this and this. Now this MD square minus ND square. Minus MD, this goes this side, so plus ND. Now from this and this, take something common. Here A common, M minus N. When D common, so you will get M square minus N square. So that is M plus N, M minus N. Minus M is common, minus N is common. So, sorry, minus D is common. So that is minus outside, minus minus plus. So all have N minus D, or M minus N, M minus N, M minus N. So from all the terms we can cut, or we can take common. So that is with a 0. So it will cut A plus D, M plus N, minus D, M minus N. Okay. Now A plus, from this is gone, sorry. So this much only remain, is equal to 0. So from this D is common. M plus N minus B. D is common, so 1 is equal to 0. But we have to show T M plus N. So instead of N, it is M plus N. So what we will write? A will same. M means M plus N minus 1 and D. So this much already we have proved. So it is 0. That we have to prove T M plus N. Follow?
Yes, sir.
For example, consider M something and N something. Suppose T N is equal to A plus N minus 1 D. So T7 is equal to A plus 6D because minus 1. And T8 is equal to A plus 7D. Correct? 7 multiplied by 7 karo, 8 multiplied by 8 karo. So 7T7 is equal to 7A, 6 sevens are 42D. 8T8, all multiplied by 8, 8A plus 8 sevens are 56D. Now they have given 77 is equal to 8T8. So 7A plus 42D is equal to 8A, sorry, 7A plus 42D is equal to 84, 8A, sorry, 8A, this is 8A plus 56D. Now 8 minus 7 is equal to only A. 56 minus 42, 14D, correct? This is 0. Now 8 plus 7 is how much? 15. So T15 is equal to A plus 14D, and A plus, this comes as set plus. A plus 14D is equal to 0. So T15 is equal to 0. So NTN, MTN are equal. At that time M plus N means 7 plus 8, 15 is equal to 0. Suppose it is 10, 10, 10, 10, and it is 8, 8. So 10 and 8, 18. So 10, 18 is equal to 0. So this is theoretical, this is with example. Next, speak, I am hearing.
So I'm having a doubt in financial planning.
Question number, page number.
Hello, sir.
Page number, question number. Yes. Yes, tell me, question number.
Hello.
Yes.
Say.
Sir, I'm having a doubt in financial planning.
Question number.
Page
Page
number
number.
10, sum.
10.
Page number 109.
10.
9. Fifth sum.
109. Fifth MCQ, correct?
Mr. D'Souza
GSTN
purchased.
written, but you have to consider
Yes.
it is GST. GST have 15 digit. In last lecture, I have discussed this small thing. GSTN 15 digit. Next. Assis, anybody raise hand?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Very much you are raising it.
Number 81, sum 89, sum number 22.
89, 22. 89, geometry or algebra? Hello?
Sir, geometry.
89. Okay, sorry. 89, some number? Some number. Assis, tell. Some number, beta.
Sir,
Ashish.
sum number 22.
22, very good. I told exactly there are 9 points. First, try to understand that this is x, this is also x. Try to understand this is y, and this is third one z. Separately, I am giving you. Suppose this arc is 100. This arc is 100. So this will be half, so 50. This arc is 100, so inscribe also 50. This angle is half of the arc, 50. This angle is also half of the arc, 50. Therefore, this and this both are half of same arc. That's why both are equal. How to write?
अरे मेरे को इससे
SPQ.
अनम्यूट किया है
Who is speaking? One, two, three, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This x I have written, that is RPQ. Measure angle RPQ. Lower one x, upper one x. Measure angle PSR. This and this is half of major arc PR. This is half of major arc PR. This is tangent secant. Tangent secant. This is inscribe angle theorem. Both are half of same arc, so both are equal. Measure angle RPQ. Lower I have taken, then I have taken upper. Now this side, y is half of what? Y means what? Measure angle lower y is what? RQP. Upper y means what? QSR. Half of RQ. RQ. Again, tangent, secant, and this is inscribed angle theorem. This is from first and second. Now fourth and fifth. So both are equal. Measure angle RQP is equal to measure angle QSR is equal to y. This is x. 1 2 3 1 2 3 understood. Same. This is half of this. This is half of this. Therefore both are equal. This y angle is half of this arc. Y angle is half of this arc. Again this y angle is half of this arc. That's why both are equal, because both are half of same arc. Now third and sixth, 1 2 3 1 2 3. Third and sixth, left side right side total, this plus this. So measure angle RPQ plus measure angle RQP is equal to measure angle PSR plus measure angle QSR. What is remain? What is remain? Z is remain. So add both the sides ZZ. So same RPQ plus measure angle RQP plus Z means what? PRQ is equal to measure angle PSR plus measure angle QSR plus measure angle RPQ. What will be the reason? 3 plus 6. Add measure angle RPRQ on both the side. That is Z. So we have taken lower plus lower plus lower, x plus y plus z. So this is a sum of triangle, that is 180. Z will be Z, same. Measure angle PRQ. And this x plus y, that is measure angle full angle PSQ. So simple, this S plus R. This 9th statement I am writing in short. So 1 2 3, 1 2 3, third plus 6th. Add both the sides, this remaining Z. Exact 9th step. So both are supplementary, you can prove. Upper angle plus lower angle 180. Next, Ashish, allow. First speak algebra or
Sir.
geometry, then page number, then sum number. Say.
Algebra page number 78, 3.4, practice set 3.4, sum number 5.
3.4, sum number 5.
Yes, page number 78,
Correct.
algebra.
Correct, beta. This is Anjali. Huh?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes. I can identify her voice. Weekly from Monday to Saturday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. 6 days. The sum of the temperature of the Monday and the Saturday was this. All are in AP. I told you that AP how to consider from any middle. There are two middles, so from here or here you can take any. This is A, this is A minus D, this is A minus 2D. D difference, D, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. Now they have given Wednesday Celsius is minus 30. Wednesday is equal to A is equal to minus 30. Condition number 1. Condition number 2. The sum of the Monday and Saturday is 5. Monday, Saturday. So Monday is what? A minus 2D. Saturday is what? A plus 3D is equal to 5. So 2A, 2D minus 2D plus 3D, only D. And A we know how much? Minus 30. So minus 60. This goes minus 5 is equal to minus D. Temperature of Monday, Saturday. Sorry, this condition I have taken only half. Monday plus Saturday is equal to 5 more than the Tuesday and Saturday. Is 5 more than Tuesday plus Saturday. Sorry, I have read half only. Monday plus Saturday is 5 more than Tuesday plus Saturday. So Saturday omit directly. So Monday is equal to 5 plus Tuesday. Monday how much? A minus 2D. Tuesday how much? A minus D. So A also cancel. So I'll take this side. Minus 5 this side. This will plus. So D is equal to minus 5. A is equal to minus 30. Now see, A is equal to minus 30, minus 30, minus 30, minus 30, minus 30, minus 30, plus 3 times, plus 2 times, plus 1 time. Here nothing. Minus 1 time, minus 2 times. What is D? Minus 5, minus 5, minus 5, minus 5, minus 5. Minus minus plus. Minus minus plus 10, minus minus plus 5, here 0, nothing, you can take. Minus 5, minus 10, minus 15. So this is minus 45 degrees centigrade. This is minus 40 degrees centigrade. This is 35 minus degrees centigrade. Minus 35 degrees. You can see 5 difference, that is, your answer is correct. In AP. Like this. So for 3, 4, 5, you have to consider like this. Middle one, if there is double middle, anyone, A plus D, A minus 2, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, like that. Upper, A minus D, A minus 2D. Next.
Sir, algebra page number 109.
This is Mahi. $105, right?
109, sir.
Sorry, 109. Yes.
Fourth sum.
Upper one or lower? Lower, no?
Practice at 4.4,
4.4
fourth
is
sum.
not there.
Not there.
4.4 is not there, bacha. 4.1, 4.2. It's that 4.3 and 4 under reduction of 25%. Next.
73 page number,
Ashish, allow
sir.
other.
Sir,
Okay.
algebra page number
One minute,
52.
1 minute. 73. Wait. Previous 73 which? 73 which?
Sir, 52. Page number.
Array 73. Someone speak no 73.
Sir, I don't know.
7,
Previous one. Ashish, who was previous one? Ashish.
sir.
Okay, now you
Page number
speak.
73. 7 sum.
Sum of three consecutive number. Sum of three consecutive number that only given. Let 3 AP are A minus D, A plus D. Always middle one you have to consider A. Sum of 3 is 27 and their product is 504. Sum of 3 is 27. Product is 504. Sum A minus D plus A plus D is equal to 27. A minus D, A plus D, 504. So D minus D will cancel. 3A is equal to 27. A is equal to 9. Okay. So this into this, A square minus B square. A plus B, A minus B means what? A square minus B square. A I will put here only, 9. So 504. Then A square minus D square, 504 divided by 9. Correct. Now A square is equal to, instead of, okay, I will put square only. So 9 9s are 81 minus 25, sorry 56 is equal to D square. So D square is equal to 36. No. $25, sorry. So 5 square is equal to D square. So D is equal to plus or minus 5. Now our three number is A minus D, A plus D. A is 9. 9 plus minus 0. If we will take 5, so it will be 4, 9, 14, 5 difference. Or if you will take minus 5, you will get 14, 9, 4. When you are getting double answer, now both the sequence in reversible you have to write 4, 9, 14 or 14, 9, 4. Next.
Sir.
If you have again question, any question in same, you can ask. हाँ बच्चा.
Page number 52 of algebra. Page number 52 of
correct.
algebra. Sum number 10th.
10th, very good. This is x minus 2, both are equal. So this is also x minus 2. But the height is given x minus 4. Long base given 2x plus 1. small parallel line is given x. Area of trapezium is given. Area is equal to 33 centimeter square. A, B, C, D, M. Area of trapezium quadrilateral A, B, C, D is equal to half into height into A plus B means what? Plus of parallel side. For your understanding, I am writing. Trapezium means what? First, the quadrilateral in which one pair is parallel, not both. So here these are parallel, these are equal, not parallel. So that is half. Height is what? AM. Parallel side is what? AB plus DC. And that is given 33. This goes this side. So 66 is equal to x minus 4, x plus 2x plus 1. This plus this into this. So that is x minus 4, 3x plus 1. X in bracket 3x plus 1 minus 4 3x plus 1 bracket means open the bracket 3x square plus x minus 12x minus 4. So 3x square minus 12x, no, minus 11x, this minus this, minus 4 is equal to 66. This 66, this will come this side. So 33x square minus 11x, this will come this side, so it becomes minus 70 is equal to 0. Now 3 into 70 and we want 11. 7 3s are 21. So it is 3x square minus 11x minus 70 is equal to 0. I told you how to get the first factor. When there is a 0 as a unique place, it is very easy. So 2, 1, 0, so 21 and 10. This is minus, this is plus, so the difference is minus 11 and the product is minus 210. Simple. So 3x square minus 21x plus 10x minus 70 is equal to 0. 3x, x minus 7 plus 10, x minus 7 is equal to 0. 3x minus 10, 3x plus 10, x minus 7 is equal to 0. 3x plus 10 is equal to 0 or x minus 7 is equal to 0. So here x is equal to minus 10 by 3. So this is not acceptable for the length. Negative cannot be the length. So x is equal to 7. X is equal to 7 it is given. Then substitute 7. 7 minus 2, 5. 7 2s are plus 1, 7 2s are 14, 15. 7 minus 4, individually you have to find out. This is 3, this is 7, this is also 5. Now, half into height into sum of parallel side, 7 plus 15. So 3 by 2 into 22, 11. So your answer is correct and tell me. Next.
Sir, same
Ah.
page, sum number 7.
7. Eight hours to travel 36 kilometer downstream, upstream. This calculation is very intelligent. If you will do in a different way, it is easy. You have not to go for quadratic. without using without opening the bracket, see how it is. This is very good question, and more time they've asked in SSC board. 36 going, 36 coming, and total 8 hours taken.